along the front part of this here, you lay along the front line if you're recessing your doors. So you got it along the line. You pull this out till you can see the first hole. You go ahead and put a little mark in there. Just snug it up. When it stops on slow speed, stop. And then a third screw in the back. You want to go to the webbing, not in here, just where they have the ribs or webbing, or anyway, when you get it in there where you want it, you clamp it. And then you want to rest your drawer in there as you install the drawer member of the drawer glides. Do the same thing on this side. All right. Should say there's a line across top of this up here that you're going to line up with the front of that. Carefully, without moving those Kreg jigs. That's the only thing I don't like about them. They will move on you if you're not careful. You're going to slide the drawer back in there till it's fairly balanced and it's far enough so that you can pull. You're going to install your drawer member, or your drawer members. Slide them so far back in till they click and then they reach in front of your cabinet. Do that on this side. It did click. Make sure these are lined up and install your front screw and the next screw. Pull the drawer out and do the back screw. A little bit more. Now you can access one of these back screws. You can go ahead and remove your Kreg or glide jig, whatever. that's what you should hear. And then it does get a little stiff here, and you just push a little bit, not hard. And once it's clear back, you can pull it out all the way. Give it a good shove. If it had weight in it, it would go right in. What's going on here? Like that. They work a lot better when they have a little bit of weight in them. And that's how you install drawers. Using the, should probably figure out what the name of it is, but here we go. See what you get. It's the Kreg drawer slide jig. And it comes with two of these, marked A and B. And what else? I believe that's it. You can also use these on cabinets with frames. These tabs are used to help align it with the frames and everything. They're a really nice jig. I love Kreg products. I'm not sponsored. I'm not a paid sponsor, but I do like their products. So you get those and some instructions, and tell you the truth, I think that's all you get for close to 40 bucks. These are Kreg products too. These clamps, you need something very similar to these. These are 30 or 40 bucks each, but these do not come with it. So you need a couple of those, and it does, as you can see, it does make the job of installing drawers a lot easier and more accurate. I'd also get you one of these. You can use a nail, but this is very well ergonomic and easy to use. I wasn't pushing it in all the way to, you're supposed to push it in hard enough that it does that. And it leaves you a nice place to start your screw. Anyway, I've struggled a little bit on this video today. I keep forgetting to turn the camera on, and then I forget to turn it off, and I forget that I'm in the road, or I'm not in the picture, or I don't need to be in the picture, but what I'm doing is not in the picture. But I love how this project's going so far. If you like my video, please hit the like button, that's the thumbs up button, and hit the subscribe button to my channel, DIY Guy 50, or it's Project DIY with Stephen Doudna. And I'd appreciate it if you subscribed and liked. I'm going to show you how I built this. It's a miter stand or station for my DeWalt DWS-779, which I think is almost identical to the 780. And it'll accommodate that big saw. It's deep, it's 32 inches deep. And I'm not finished with it yet, but I'll have a video on that. I'd appreciate if you watched that, liked it, subscribed, hit the bell button, leave comments, all that kind of thing helps promote my channel. Thank you for watching.